So before doing the treble crochet, I want to show you what the different stitches you've learned so far will do. So let's start with a single, right? You go through without wrapping over, pull through once, pull through both, right? The double, you wrap through once, pull through, wrap, do two, wrap over, do. So that's your double, right? Now to do a triple, we're going to do three. Insert in the hook, wrap over once, one through, two through, three through. I'll do another treble. Okay, so over twice, insert the hook. Okay, now let's do a double just to show you. I'll do a double right here. And then I'll do a single. Now, do you see the difference in stitch heights? So that's what you'll get in crochet. You'll get it where it'll come up and down, and that's what the different stitches create for you. Okay, so we'll go back to the beginning now, and I'll do the treble properly. And the other cool thing that I love about crochet is if you've ever knitted, you know what a nightmare it is to undo your work. Not so in crochet. See, I'm already back where I was. Okay, so with that little bit done, let me show you the treble. So you're going to go chain 3, loop over hook twice, second chain from hook right here, pull through. You have 4 on your hook, pull through, 3, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, you're done. So wrap twice, insert your hook, pull through, 4 on hook, wrap through, pull through the first 2, 3 on hook, pull through the next 2, 2 on hook, pull through the last one. Now the treble crochet is a very loose stitch. You will see it in blankets, etc. You rarely see it like in the bottom. So different stitches have different capabilities. So if you look now at your sampler, here's your singles crochet. See how much denser it is? So imagine that in the bottom of a basket, or how much tougher and stronger that would be to make something. Okay, but it's shorter. There's 2 rows, takes up this much, right? Here's your 2 rows of double crochet. And it's a little bit looser than the single crochet, right? And now here we're just got 1 row of treble, and look at how much taller it is. 1 treble is as tall as 2 singles, but it's way looser. Okay. So now I want you to practice some treble crochets, and then I've got just a couple of very simple little stitches and you're good to go. You can probably crochet 80% of all different kinds of crochet right now. You'd be able to do scarves and toques and pillows for sure, afghans, all that kind, even some laces. Okay, so I want you to do treble crochets until you're comfortable with them. Okay, I'll go through it once more because I've been jumping around on you a little bit this video. So yarn over hook twice, insert in hook, pull through, yarn over again, pull through, there's 3, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, and you're done. And that's it for the treble crochet. When you get to the end of the row, remember to chain 3. Turn around and work your way back.